Patuloy na nagpapaabot ng panalangin ng ilan sa mga followers ng singer na si Nikki Hill. Sa kanya kasing Instagram ay kinuwento niya na na-diagnose ang kanyang anak na si Maddie ng Kawasaki disease. Kwento ni Nikki, "What a week! Maddie was diagnosed with Kawasaki disease, something we had never even heard of. And seeing our little girl in pain, hooked to IVs, enduring tests and meds was the hardest thing we've never gone through as parents. But even in the scariest moments, God showed up in the peace He gave, the people He sent, and the healing He allowed. We give Him all the glory for carrying us through and for Maddie's recovery. Also, so thankful for our village. Every message, prayer, meal, visit, and word of encouragement meant the world to us. And to our amazing medical team, especially Doctor, you were all heaven sent. We're finally home in our brave girl, and while recovery continues, our hearts are filled with gratitude. God is so, so good." Napacomment naman ng ilan sa mga kaibigan ni Nikki Hill. Ayon kay Crystal Bello, "Never easy mama, but I'm sure you did a great job and glad to hear she is much better. Thank you Lord. Diyos ko, nakaka-stress talaga pag anak ang may sakit." Ito naman ang sinabi ni Chito Miranda. Ayon kay Nikki Hill, "Grabe diba? Sana tayo na lang at hindi na sila." Napacomment din si Jessie Mendiola. "Such brave girls, both you and little Maddie. I'm glad you guys are now home." Sa puntong ito ay kita sa mukha ni Nikki Hill ang pag-aalala, pero dahil na rin sa tiwala niya sa Diyos ay nakita niya na bumubuti ang kalagayan ng kanilang anak na si Maddie. Nasa proseso pa sila ng healing ng kanilang baby, pero umaasa naman si Nikki na magiging tuloy-tuloy na ang paggaling ng kanyang anak.